So today we are going to go on a boat ride to the Kenai Fjords National Park. And we're going to check out some glaciers and hopefully see some puffins, maybe some whales. It's going to be a great time, so come on along with us on another Squatch Dog Adventures. We're getting ready to board the boat. Got my boarding pass right here. Going on the Callisto Voyager. Special treats was a pod of humpback whales.
Now remember, these are air-breathing mammals. Those blowholes, the two blowholes at the top of their head, those when they dive down.
Holy cow.
Look at the tail. Those two blowholes, the indentations retain about a cup of water. And the first thing they do is exhale when they come to the surface at almost 100 miles an hour. And that vaporizes that water.
From there, we floated by a nesting site for gulls, common murres, and puffins. Stellar sea lions also call this place home.
Larger cousins to the California sea lions. These animals are nocturnal feeders, so they'll come out during the day to rest. We call it a haul out. And welcome to Kenai Fjords National Park.
Another fun surprise was the sea otter raft. We went by many glaciers, including Holgate Glacier shown here, but the granddaddy was yet to come. Aialik Glacier. All the icebergs hitting the hull of the ship. If you've never seen a glacier calve in person, It's pretty spectacular.
Wow.
This is glacier ice.
It's Glacier Ice.
How'd you get it?
We have fishing net. We're fishing.
There you go. It's here. Looks like Hawaii. But then we go to Calving Glaciers. And then we got seals just hanging out on the icebergs. And just when you think the show's over, you see a pod of orca whales. Wow. And last but not least, we've got Spire Cove, another special treat. Lots of caves. Here we go into the port. Our tour is complete. And it was absolutely amazing. Loved it. What did you think of the trip?
I loved it.
It was awesome. What was your favorite part?
The glacier. Calving.
Yeah, the Calving Glacier was pretty cool. And the whales are awesome too.
What?
So were the otters. They were cute. And the seals were adorable. The whole trip was amazing. We loved it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It would really mean a lot to us. But in the meantime, happy trails.